Good morning students. Myself Nilima Kadam. Standard 6 Maths Equations Samikarne. An equation. An equation is a statement that says that the value of two mathematical expressions is equal. In simple words, an equation says that two things are equal and it is denoted by the equal to sign. Here we are using this weighing scale to represent an equation. Now in this weighing scale, there are two pans. On the left hand side, I have written mathematical operation as 3 into 2. Value of this operation is 6, right? And in the right hand side pan, mathematical operation is there as 9 minus 3. Value of this mathematical operation is also 6. So these two pans, they are balanced, and this is called as equation, and we are denoting it with the help of equal to sign, because in the two pans there are two mathematical operations are there, mathematical expression we can say that. So 3 into 2 equal to 9 minus 3, this is an equation. 6 plus 6 is equal to 15 minus 3, this is an equation. Here we are using numbers and signs of different operations, but the value of these two mathematical expressions is equal, right? This is called as equation. This is a weighing scale. Left hand side I have taken 8 plus 2, right? What is the answer of this? Yes, 10. And on the right hand side, I will doing subtraction. Now on the left hand side, addition is there. On the left hand side, subtraction is there. Different operations are there, right? But the value of both the operation is same. So we can denote it with the help of equal to sign, right? So this is an equation. Okay. So in mathematics, the sign of equality shows that numbers on both its sides are equal. May be the result of different operations on the left hand side and right hand side. Their values are equal, and such an expression of equality is called an equation. Now if there are equal weights in both pans of a weighing scale, then the scale is balanced, right? You know this. On the left hand side 100 gram, that is 200 gram. On the right hand side also 100 gram, 200 gram. Now equal weights on both sides, and therefore this weighing scale is balanced. Now a balanced scale is like an equation. How? See here. There are two sides, left hand side, right hand side, right? Now a balanced scale is like an equation. Now here, see here, this scale, two different stones are there, but their values are same, their weight is same, and therefore this is balanced. And a balanced scale is like an equation. Dear friends, this is a weighing scale. Observe this picture carefully. Now we know that if there are equal weights in both pans of a weighing scale, then the scale is balanced, right? Now on the left hand side, what you will observe? Suppose this is an egg, we will denote it with E. So on left hand side, in the pan, there is an egg, and how many blocks are there? 6 blocks are there. And on the right hand side, you will find out how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 blocks are there. Now if we have to find out the value of this egg or weight of this egg, how can we find? So with the help of equation, we can find out the weight of an egg. What should be the weight of an egg? So we can write it as, see here, E plus 6. On the left hand side, how many egg is there? Only one egg, and 6 blocks are there. And on the right hand side, equal to 11 blocks are there, right? So this is an equation. Now we have to find out the weight of an egg. Let's find out. See here, two blocks are getting disappeared from both the sides. See here. So what will be the weight of an egg? Because this weighing scale is balanced, so E will be equal to 5. So value of this egg, the weight of this egg will be equal to 5, right? So E plus 6 equal to 11. This is called as equation. Dear friends, remember, both the sides of an equations are balanced. They are equal. See here, 2 into 3 plus 4 equal to 10. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 4 means 10. 10 equal to 10. So both the sides of an equation are balanced, and if we have done any operation on one side, what we have to do? We have to perform same operation on other side also, because the left hand side and right hand side must be balanced. आणि म्हणूनच आपल्याला आपण डाव्या बाजूला जी क्रिया करणार आहोत किंवा उजव्या बाजूला एखादी क्रिया केली, तर एका बाजूवर एखादी क्रिया केली तर दुसऱ्या बाजूवर तीच क्रिया करणे आवश्यक असते. Now see here, if the two sides of an equation are not equal, for example, see here, 3 into 7, how much it is? 21. 21 minus 2, what is the answer? That will be equal to 19. And 20 plus 1 is 21. Now see what happened. The weighing balance is not balanced. So if the two sides of an equation are not equal, the equation is not balanced. The समीकरण संतुलित नसते. Now what happen if you have changed one side of an equation? See here, 8 plus 3 equal to 11, and on the right hand side there is 11. Now we have added plus 1 to the left hand side. What happened? This 8 plus 3 plus 1, how much it is? 12. And therefore this equation is also not balanced. हे समीकरण संतुलित असणार नाही, राईट? म्हणजेच आपल्याला समीकरणाची एकच बाजू बदलली तर काय होतं बघितलं? वेइंग स्केल, आपला जो तराजू आहे तो एका बाजूला कलंडतो. And therefore we have to perform same operations on both the sides of an equation, and therefore we can say that an equation is also like a balance scale. So what is an equation? So गणिती भाषेत बरोबर हे चिन्ह वापरून डाव्या आणि उजव्या बाजूच्या गणिती क्रिया करून आलेल्या संख्या समान आहेत हे आपण दाखवतो. अशा समानतेला समीकरण असे म्हणतात. In mathematics, the sign of equality shows that the numbers on both its sides are equal. Such an expression of equality is called an equation. For example, x minus 2 equal to 5, 35 equal to 2b plus 15, 6 plus 3a equal to 7, a plus 4 equal to 4. Now here are two sides, and on both the sides you will notice some alphabets, letters have been used, right? Two sides are there, equal to sign is there, and some letters are used. Now what is this letter? What it is called? तर या अक्षराला काय म्हणतात? याची किंमत कशी काढली जाते? हाऊ टू सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन? तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, what is an equation? We have seen how to solve this equation and how to write down the different mathematical operations as equations. This we will learn in our next video. Thank you.